The AMYET V9-G60 e-bike features a powerful motor that can reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for thrill seekers and commuters alike. With its removable 48-volt, 20-ampere-hour battery, this e-bike offers an impressive range of up to 70 miles, ensuring long journeys without frequent recharges. The 20-inch fat tires provide exceptional stability and traction, allowing riders to confidently tackle diverse terrains such as sandy beaches, rocky trails, and city streets. Equipped with a digital LCD display, the bike keeps you informed of essential metrics like speed and battery level, enhancing your riding experience with real-time data. The 7-speed gear system combined with dual-disc brakes offers precise control and safety, while the multiple riding modes cater to different preferences and needs. Being 90% pre-assembled, the AMYET V9-G60 electric bike is user-friendly, allowing you to start your cycling adventures almost immediately after purchase.